Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we have the unboxing of the WISETOOL Orbital Polisher model 6840P. I bought this out of Amazon and I haven't seen any reviews or videos about it, so I decided to make a video myself. So let's get started. Comes in this box, just for reference. Made in China. So let's see what's inside. I bought this for around $58. They do have it as one of their prime items, and I actually ordered it yesterday and arrived today, so it was a pretty quick delivery, which I'm happy about. First thing we noticed, there's a bag. And now we have the bag. I'm pretty happy that it comes with a bag, because if I want to go somewhere and do a job or work somewhere else, you just put it inside the bag, not worrying about getting other stuff dirty, and it looks a little more professional. So I actually do enjoy this little bag. Let me see what we have inside. There's a zipper. Let me open it, and right away when we open it, there are the pads, the Velcro pads. We have these. We have this one. We have this one. There is like the wool pad. Pretty simple. The manual. You see the model right there. Instructions. You may be able to check out their community if you want to scan that. Let's see what else we have over here. This is what actually connects to the polisher, to the pads. And then the handle, which you can put anywhere. It's a nice logo there. WISETOOL. Cool. And then the most important part of it is the actual polisher. Let me take it out and I'll be back with you in one moment. So this is how it comes in the bag. It's all wrapped up. I like that it has some padding so it doesn't get damaged while it gets delivered. And it looks pretty good. Let's see what else is in the bag. There's a little tool set with a Allen key. I'm not pretty sure what those are, but we'll probably find out. And then this key or wrench. What else is in here? A shoulder strap so you can carry around. And that's about it. So let's take out the polisher out of the wrapping. Alright, so this is basically everything that comes in the package. Just a little walk through, and look at the polisher. It actually looks pretty solid. It feels really solid. this is the side. Alright, so let's go ahead and start installing everything into the polisher. I did notice something about this one. If you push it, it will go back. But if you push it and press on here, it will stay on, I guess. And then you click it and it'll go back to off. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and place this key right here, this wrench right there, to lock. Then we're going to thread in this pad. I don't know if you could see it. But what you do is just basically turn it into lock position. Not sure how tight it has to be, but with one hand it might be a little difficult. But nevertheless, it's on. Now the handle, we can grab the handle and we could put it here. I think we could put it here too. And then there's another one here. It's just for the purpose of the video, let me just go ahead and put it here. I'm gonna tighten it that much because I don't know if I'm gonna keep it there. But as you can see, it's already assembled. Let's open one of these pads. I want to see how it looks on the polisher. Alright, so I guess it just goes like that. And bam! We got ourselves a polisher. It looks pretty darn good. I'll definitely have to test it, and I'll make a more in-depth video of it, but I think this will give you an idea of how it comes in the box, what's included, and for 58 bucks it feels very solid. I really just want to go outside and try it, but it's getting dark out, and I think this is where I'm gonna end up my video. Hope y'all enjoy it. I hope it was very informative for people that are looking to buy a polisher, and specifically a WISETOOL Orbital Dual Action polisher. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Peace.